Good morning, students. In last class we completed exercise 3.2. Today class we go next part in matrices, that is transpose of a matrix. That is transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. Well, transpose of a matrix, it is also a type of operations of a matrix. That is, we have to apply transpose of a matrix to the given matrix. Transpose operation on the given matrix ke apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Yes, new matrix where the new matrix is obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of the given matrix. That is, if A is equal to Aij, in general if A is equal to Aij, be a matrix. Then the transpose of A, transpose of a matrix is, then the transpose of a matrix is obtained interchanging the rows and columns. That is, if A is equals to Aij, be a matrix of order n by n, then transpose of this matrix is A dash. Then transpose of this matrix is A dash is obtained interchanging the rows and columns. They observe what? ಒಂದು ಗಿವನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ A ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ A is equal to A. ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ದ rows and columns. A ith ರೋ jth ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ jth ರೋ ith ಕಾಲಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ n by a. For example, if A is equals to A11, A12, A1, then A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A32. Be a matrix of order 3 by 3. One matrix number. A transpose of this matrix A dash is equal to transpose of this matrix A dash is just interchanging the rows into columns. Rows and columns. Just interchanging the rows and columns. That is A11, A12, A13. Next rows into columns and change ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. A21, A22, next A22. Next A31, Here, observe ಮಾಡಿ. This is the given matrix and this is the transpose of this matrix A. ಇಲ್ಲಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ. These are diagonal elements in transpose of a matrix and these are diagonal elements in a given matrix. Compared to matrix A and transpose of the matrix A, the diagonal elements does not changes. The diagonal elements remains unchanged, but the upper diagonal elements and lower diagonal elements are become interchanged. Right? ಈ diagonal elements ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು upper diagonal elements, ಈ diagonal elements ನ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥವು lower diagonal elements. ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ನ್ಯೂ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಗಿವನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ದ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೋಯರ್ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತವೆ? ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. This is the definition of transpose of a matrix. Next we move on to properties of transpose of a matrix. That is properties. Direct according. First one, A Here you have to know one thing. Transpose of a matrix is denoted from dash, that is A dash, B dash, or A transpose. ಯಾವ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಆ ತರ A transpose or A dash ಅಂತ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. We are direct ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ A transpose whole transpose is equals to what? A transpose whole transpose is equals to E. This is one property of transpose of a matrix. Next, the second one, A plus B whole transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. Or the transpose of addition of these two matrices is equals to the transpose of a matrix A plus transpose of a matrix B. Or addition of transpose of two matrices, given two matrices. Next, third one, AB whole transpose is equals to B transpose into A transpose. Or the transpose of multiplication of any two matrices is equals to the transpose of the second matrix multiplied with the transpose of the first matrix. Transpose the first matrix. Next, fourth one, K into A whole transpose is equals to K into A transpose. K into A transpose. Transpose of multiplication of a scalar with the matrix A is equals to the multiplication of a scalar with the transpose of the matrix A. To the transpose of the matrix A. These are the properties on transpose of a matrix. Well, let's solve some examples, or we prove these properties by taking some examples in your NCERT test. Here, example 20 and 23. If A is equals to matrix and B is equals to matrix, I put it there. We have to verify the properties of transpose of the matrix. That is, A transpose whole transpose is equals to A plus B whole transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. Next, K into K, transpose of K is equals to K into transpose of B. We have to prove this. Your first one. Before that, I will take the matrix. A is equals to what we have given? 3 root 3 4 2 0. A is equals to matrix ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. A transpose is equals to what? Interchange of rows and columns. Row ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋದನ್ನ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. Here 3 root 3 2. Next 4 2 right 4 2 0. Next again ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು again transpose ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅಗೇನ್ ನಮಗೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ A transpose. ಅಗೇನ್ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ನಮಗೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೈಟ್ ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ A transpose whole transpose is equals to again row ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ರೈಟ್ 3 4 ರೋ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಟ್ 3 2 2 0. Here compare ಮಾಡಿ A transpose whole transpose is equals to this is same as matrix A 3 4 root 3 2 root 3 2 2 0 2 0. So this matrix is equals to what? A. So what we prove? A transpose whole transpose is equals to E. This is the proof of A transpose whole transpose. Next second one. Here second one. A plus B whole transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. We have to solve. First one, transpose of addition of any two matrices. Transpose of any two addition of any two matrices. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ A and ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ B ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಎರಡು ಆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ A ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ and B ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. A plus B is equals to A ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? It is 3 root 3 2. Next 4 2 0. Right? Plus matrix B ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Here it is matrix B 2 minus 1 2 2 minus 1 2. Next 1 2 4. Right? Observe ಮಾಡಿ ಎರಡು ಸಹ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. So again addition of these two matrices is possible. So what we have to do? Here 3 plus 2 is 5. Root 3 plus into minus minus. Root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1. Next 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. Next 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 plus 2 is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. This is what? A plus B. A and B matrix ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಹಾಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಈ ನ್ಯೂ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ನಾನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. A plus B whole transpose is equals to A plus B whole transpose is equals to, it means interchange of rows into columns, rows and columns. So what we get? 5 root 3 minus 1 4. Next 5 4 4. This is what? A plus B whole transpose. A Cartesian equation first. Cartesian equation first. From the given data, I will write the A transpose. A transpose equals to A matrix ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು A transpose ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. A transpose ಅನ್ನು. So A transpose is equals to interchange of rows and columns. Given matrix A ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ rows and columns ಅನ್ನು interchange ಮಾಡಿ. So what we get? 3 root 3 2. Next 4 to 0. 4 to 0. Next B matrix ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ B matrix ಗೆ ನಾನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So what we get? B transpose is equals to again interchange of rows and columns. 2 minus 1 2. 2 minus 1 2. 2 minus 1 2. Next 1 2 4. 1 2 4. Here I am just adding transpose of A and transpose of B. That is A transpose plus B transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose is equals to matrix add my 3 4 root 3 2. Next root 2 0 plus B transpose matrix ಇದೆ 2 minus 1 2 1 2 4 1 2 4 right. Next we observe that 2 minus 1 2. Next 1 2 4 next 3 root 3 this is 2 3 root 3 2. Next 4 2 0. Next same these two matrices orders are same, so again addition of these two matrices is possible. So what we write? 3 plus 2 is 5. Next 4 plus 1 is 5. Next root 3 plus into minus minus root 3 minus 1. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. This is what? A transpose plus B transpose. Here compare money equation 1 and 2 alone. This is called this equation 2. Compare money. Here 5 5 root 3 minus 1 4 4 4. Both are same. So what we write? From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. What we write? A plus B or transpose of addition of two matrices is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. A transpose plus B transpose. Next third one ಏನಿದೆ? Third one K into transpose of K into B is equals to K into transpose of B. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ B ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ B ಗೆ ನಾನು K ಇಂದ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮಗೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ನ್ಯೂ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Here B ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. So KB is equals to K into matrix B ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? is 2 minus 1 2 minus 1 2. Next 1 2 4 1 2 4. So K ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ what we get? 2K minus K 2K. Next K 2K 4 K. Scalar ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ K ನ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಇದೆ ನಾನು B ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ನ್ಯೂ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ನಾನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ KB whole dash is equals to interchange of rows and columns. What we get? 2K minus K 2. 2K minus K 2K. Next K 2K 4. This is what? Transpose of K. Next here ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು K into transpose of B. K into transpose of B. K into transpose of B. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ B ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. B ಗೆ ನಾನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. B ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? B transpose is equals to interchange of rows and columns. What we get? 2 into 2 minus 1 2. Next 1 2 4 1 2 4. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು K ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ K ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. which implies that K into transpose of B is equals to K into multiply ಮಾಡಿ transpose of B 2 1 minus 1 2 2 4, right, which is equals to 2K K minus K 2K 2K next 4. This is what K into transpose of B. Here comes the equation 2 and this is equation 1. Here compare 1 and 2. ಎರಡನ್ನು compare ಮಾಡಿ, both are same. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, what we write? K into KB mole transpose or transpose of KB is equals to K into transpose of B. These are the proofs of the given problem. Next problem. Okay, next 21 problem. If A is equals to B is equals to shared matrix, we have to verify that AB mole transpose or transpose of multiplication of any two matrix is equals to the transpose of the second matrix multiplied with the transpose of first matrix. We have to find out. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು given data ಇಂದ AB ಅನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Means multiplication of two matrix ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Matrix A ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ is 2 4 5. Next matrix B ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ is 1 3 minus 6. Here observe ಮಾಡಿ, number of columns of the first matrix is equals to the number of rows of the second matrix ಆಗಿದೆ. So now multiplication of these two matrices exist or possible. Multiply ಮಾಡಿ row reduces into a columns. It means ಮೊದಲನೇ ರೋ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, each column of the next matrix multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. First column is completed. Next same row in the third column we multiply ಮಾಡಿ minus 2 into 6 is minus 6. Next minus into minus plus 2 into 6 is 1. Your first row is completed. Next second row in the each column we multiply ಮಾಡಿ 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 3 it is 12. Next 4 into 6 is 24. Next 5 into multiply ಮಾಡಿ 5 into 1 5. 5 into 3 is 15. 5 into 6 minus 1. Minus 1. This is what? A. Multiply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ again new matrix ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. So ನಾವು ಈ new matrix ಗೆ ನಾನು transpose operation ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Here AB mole transpose equals to what we write? Interchange of rows and columns. Rows and columns are interchange ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Means minus 2 minus 6 12. Next 4 12 minus 24. Here 5 15 minus 1. Rows and columns are correct. This is what AB mole transpose is equals to this matrix. Call this equation first. Next, from the given data, I will write the A transpose and B transpose. That is A and B matrix na ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಎರಡು matrix ಗೆ ನಾನು transpose operation na apply ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So what we get? A transpose is equals to rows into columns. Rows ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ columns ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. So what we get? minus 2 4 5 minus 2 4 5. Next B transpose is equals to same rows ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ columns ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Here 1 3 minus 6. 1 3 minus 6. Again I am applying B transpose and A transpose. ಎರಡನ್ನು multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So B transpose into A transpose is equals to matrix B ಏನಿದೆ it is 1 3 minus 6. Matrix A ಏನಿದೆ it is minus 2 4 5. It is minus 2 4 5. Here also same number of columns of the first matrix is equals to the number of rows of the second matrix ಆಗಿದೆ. So multiply ಮಾಡಿ what we get? 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. 1 into 4 4. 1 into 5 is 5. 1 into 5 is 5. Next first row is completed. Next second row in the each column multiply ಮಾಡಿ 3 into 2 it is minus 6. 3 into 4 it is 12. 3 into 5 15. Second row is completed. Next third row in the multiply ಮಾಡಿ 6 into 12 2 it is 12. Minus into minus plus 6 into 4 minus 24. 6 into 5 minus 1. This is what? B transpose A transpose. Call this equation 2. From 1 and 2. ಎರಡನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ equation 1 and equation 2 ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ this matrix is same as it is this matrix. So what we write? AB whole transpose equals to B transpose into A transpose. This is the verification. Next we move on to symmetry and skew symmetry. Well, next we discussed about very important part in matrices, that is on the basis of transpose of a matrices we discuss what is symmetric matrix and what is skew symmetric matrix. ಈ ಎರಡು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗಳನ್ನ on the basis of transpose of a matrix ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Here symmetric matrix means for any square matrix A or if A is equals to Aij be any matrix of order m by n, be any matrix of order m by n, then A transpose is equals to what? Just interchange the rows into columns. That is Aj is said to be symmetric. Is said to be symmetric. If A transpose is equals to it means ಒಂದು ಗಿವನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನ್ಯೂ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆ ಗಿವನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ if A is equals to A B C then B E F C F D. Here observe this is matrix here. I am taking transpose of this matrix, that is A transpose is equals to what we write, row reduces in a column, that is A B C B E F B F, next C F. In general diagonal matrix ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Here these are diagonal elements. Here also these are diagonal elements. Matrix A and matrix transpose of the matrix B ಎರಡನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ diagonal elements does not change. Diagonal elements change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next, upper diagonal elements and lower diagonal elements in matrix A compare with the transpose of the matrix B. ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. What we get? Same ಇದೆ. It means the upper diagonal elements and the lower diagonal elements are the mirror images of each other. In symmetric matrix, upper diagonal elements and lower diagonal elements are mirror images of each other. So therefore, A transpose is equals to ಎರಡನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ A transpose is equals to A ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. When if A is equals to Aij of order m by n, then transpose of A is equals to Aj ಆದಾಗ means we just interchange the rows into columns, we get a new matrix where the new matrix is equals to the given matrix ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಆ given matrix ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಕರೀತೀವಿ, symmetric matrix. In the same way, I will define what is a skew symmetric matrix. Here also say if A is equals to Aij be a matrix. If A is equals to Aij of order m by n be a matrix, then skew symmetric matrix of A is A transpose is equals to minus C. A transpose is equals to minus C. It means if we apply transpose of the given matrix is equals to the new matrix is equals to the negative of the given matrix. Here also same thing. We just interchange the rows into columns. But small thing is negative of the given matrix. It means, for example, if A is equals to same matrix of everything. If A is equals to A, B, C, next B, A, B, C, next B, E, F, after that C, F, C, F. We know the minus apply minus F. Here observe what I am applying transpose operation for this matrix. What we get? A transpose is equals to same interchange of rows into columns, but small change is in diagonal matrix. All the in the skew symmetric matrix, all the diagonal elements are zero. All the diagonal elements are zero. Here interchange rows and columns 0 minus B C. Here B 0 minus F. Next C F 0. C F minus 0. Here observe. This is the matrix A and this is transpose of the matrix. ಈ ಎರಡು matrix observe ಮಾಡಿ. These are diagonal elements, right? These are diagonal elements and these are diagonal elements. The diagonal elements are does not change, and here minus B is there, here plus B is there. Here B is there, minus B is there. Here also just interchange the upper diagonal elements and lower diagonal elements. In transpose of the matrix upper diagonal elements and lower diagonal elements interchange ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But in skew symmetric matrix the elements are interchanged but negative sign is there. That is A transpose equals to, if you take minus sign as common factor in this matrix, what we get? 0 B C. Next B you take is minus, it is minus 0 minus F. Next here minus C, here plus F, it is 0. It is 0. The observe what A transpose is equals to minus 0. This matrix is same as it is the given matrix A. This matrix A transpose is equals to the minus of this matrix is same as it is the given matrix A. So what we write? A transpose is equals to matrix E. A transpose is equals to matrix A. You have to know one thing. In symmetric matrix, transpose of A is equals to A. In a skew symmetric matrix, transpose of A is equals to the minus A. Minus A. So on the basis of symmetric and skew symmetrics, we discuss some theorems. Next, we do some theorems on symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. For any square matrix, square matrix A. A plus A transpose is symmetric. A plus A transpose is symmetric, and A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. For any square matrix with real entries, we have to prove that A plus A transpose is symmetric and A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. Here, before going to this theorem, you have to know one thing. Both symmetric matrix matrix and skew symmetric matrix, or both symmetric conditions and skew symmetric conditions is applied only for square matrix. Square matrix ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ symmetric condition and skew symmetric conditions apply. ಎಲ್ಲ matrix ಗೂ symmetric and skew symmetric matrix ಅನ್ನು apply ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So again for any square matrix, for this square matrix with the real entries a plus a dash or a plus a transpose is symmetric and a minus a transpose is skew symmetric. We have to prove. We are going to prove. In general, I will take let b is equals to a plus a transpose. B is equals to a plus a transpose ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Here b dash is equals to or b transpose is equals to a plus a transpose whole transpose. Right? Both sides ಅನ್ನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So which is equals to, you already know that a plus b whole transpose is equals to a transpose plus b transpose from the properties of transpose of a matrix. What we write? A transpose plus a transpose whole transpose plus a transpose whole transpose from the properties of transpose of a matrix. Here which is equals to a transpose plus again from the properties of transpose of a matrix. A transpose whole transpose equals to what? This E. A transpose whole transpose equals to E. So what we get? B transpose equals to A transpose plus E. We already know that addition of any two matrices is commutative. Commutative law is holds true for addition of two matrices. So what we get? A plus A transpose. So B transpose equals to A plus A transpose. So therefore which is equals to B transpose is equals to B. A plus A transpose ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ? B ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ B transpose ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? B ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So therefore A plus A transpose is a symmetric. A plus A transpose is a symmetric. Right? Next, A minus A transpose is skew symmetric ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡೋಣ. Again in general we will take let C is equals to A minus A transpose. A minus A transpose ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು C ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Again ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ನ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ನ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So what we get? C transpose is equals to A minus A transpose whole transpose. A minus A transpose whole transpose. Again from the properties of transpose of a matrix, what we write? A transpose minus A transpose whole transpose. A transpose whole transpose. So which is equals to A transpose minus again from the transpose properties A transpose whole transpose is equals to what? Is A. A transpose whole transpose is equals to A. This is what? C transpose or C transpose is equals to take minus x common factor. What we get? A minus A transpose. A minus A transpose. That is A transpose is equals to minus A ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕರೀತೀವಿ? Skew symmetric matrix ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. So ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗಿದೆ? C transpose is equals to minus C ಆಗಿದೆ. C transpose is equals to minus A minus A transpose ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ? This C ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. Right? Transpose of A or transpose of C is equals to minus C ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕರೀಬೋದು? It is a skew symmetric matrix ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. So therefore A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Is a skew symmetric. Is a skew symmetric. Next we move on to the second theorem. Second theorem, that is another one theorem. For any square matrix, for any square matrix can be expressed as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Symmetric and skew symmetric. skew symmetry can be expressed as a symmetric and skew symmetric. Observe, for any square matrix can be expressed as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Here, proof. Let A be a square matrix. In general, I will take let A be a square matrix. Let A be a square matrix. Square matrix. Then we can write. Then we can write A is equal to A plus A transpose by 2 plus A minus A transpose by. This is the representation of a matrix as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. You already know that A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix, right? And A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. So the sum of these two matrices is also a square matrix. The square matrix can be expressed in the form of sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Ninge 5 marks or 3-4 marks questions get 3 marks. Express the given matrix in the form of sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Right? By using this, we have to solve some problem. That is the example problem to solve. Insert this. Well, we have observed exercise 22 problem only. Then we will express the matrix B is equals to as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Here we have to express this matrix in the form of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Last theorem alli prove madidvi any square matrix can be expressed in the form of symmetric and skew symmetric, right? Here ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ matrix ಗೆ transpose ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ matrix ಗೆ transpose ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What we get? B transpose is equals to interchange of rows and columns. Transpose 2 minus 2 minus 4. Here minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3 1 minus 2 minus 3. Now let us take let P is equals to 1 by 2 B plus B transpose, because in theorem we already proved that B plus B transpose is a symmetric matrix, right? We have to show that this P is a symmetric, which is equals to 1 by 2 matrix B and ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ it is 2 minus 2 minus 4 here minus 1 3 4 here 1 minus 2 minus 3 plus B transpose in there it is 2 minus 1 1 minus 2 3 minus 2 minus 4 4 minus 3, which is equals to 1 by 2. I am applying addition operation these two matrices. Here these two matrices are square matrices, so addition of these two matrices is possible. 2 plus 2 is 4 minus 2 plus into minus minus it is minus 3 minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Next minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 3 plus 3 is 6 4 plus into minus minus 4 minus 2 is 2 4 minus 2 is 2 1 plus into minus minus 1 minus 4 is minus 3 minus 2 plus 4 is 2 minus 3 plus into minus minus is minus 6. Here scalar multiplication of a matrix 1 by 2 in the each element you multiply ಮಾಡಿ. So what we get? It is 4 by 2 is 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, then it is minus 3 by 2. Here 6 by 2 is 3, 2 by 2 is 1. Here again minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2. Again 2 by 2 is 1, minus 6 by 2 is minus 3. Minus 3. This is what? This is P. Here I am applying transpose to this matrix. What we get? Transpose and apply. If matrix is here P transpose equals to again interchange of rows and columns. Here 2 minus 3, so 2 minus 3 by 2, after that minus 3 by 2. Row reduces into a columns. Again minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 3, 1. Next minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 1, minus 3. So which is equals to P dash equals to, this is nothing but matrix. Here clearly shows that it is a symmetric matrix because upper diagonal elements, here observe, these are diagonal elements and these are upper diagonal elements and these are lower diagonal elements. Here upper diagonal elements and lower diagonal elements are mirror images of each other. 1, 1, minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 3. Upper diagonal elements and lower diagonal elements ಎರಡು ಸಹ mirror images of each other ಆಗಿದೆ. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ matrix P is a symmetric matrix. So P dash or transpose of P is equals to Pn. So therefore P is equals to 1 by 2 into B plus B transpose is a symmetric matrix. Is a symmetric matrix. Now, then Q is equals to, in general I will take 1 by 2, 1 by 2, B minus B transpose. Already over B minus B transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. In theorem, we already told that. So which is equals to 1 by 2. Matrix B in there. The matrix B is 2 minus 2 minus 4. Then minus 1, 3, 4. Minus 1, 3, 4. Then 1 minus 2 minus 3. Minus transpose of this matrix B here are there. So it is 2 minus 2 minus 4. Here it is minus 1, 3, 4. 1 minus 2 minus 3. Right? So which is equals to, again I am differencing these two matrices. Orders are same again. So again difference of these two matrices is possible. 2 plus 2, so 2 minus 2 is 0. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Minus 4 minus 1 is minus 1. Then minus 1 minus 2 minus plus, so it is plus 1. Sorry, minus 1. Here minus into minus plus, minus 1 minus 1, this is not plus, minus, this is minus. B transpose equals, this is matrix B transpose, 2 minus 2 minus 4. Then minus 1, 3, 4. 1 minus 2 minus 3. Here it is minus. Minus is there. So what we get? 2 minus 2 minus 0. Here minus 2, minus 2 minus plus, this is not minus 3, this is plus, minus 1, minus 1. Then minus 1, minus 2 minus plus, minus 1 plus 2 is 1. Then 3 minus 3 is 0. 4 minus 2 minus plus, 4 plus 2, 6. Then 1 minus 2 minus plus, 1 plus 4 is 5. Then minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 is minus 3 minus 2 minus plus, minus 3 plus 4 plus 3 is 0. Is 0. Again applying scalar multiplication of a matrix, which is equals to 0 by 2 is 0, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 5 by 2, 1 by 2, 0 by 2 is 0, 6 by 2 is 3, here 5 by 2, minus 3, here it is 0. This is what? Q. Here observe, clearly it is a skew symmetric matrix because the diagonal elements are 0 and upper diagonal elements and lower diagonal elements are mirror images of each other with negative sign. That is plus 1 by 2 is a ಇಲ್ಲಿ -1/2, ಇಲ್ಲಿ +5/2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ -5/2, ಇಲ್ಲಿ -3 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ +3. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೋಯರ್ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ mirror images ಆಗಿವೆ with negative sign. Here I am applying transpose to this matrix. What we get? Q transpose is equals to same matrix we get 0 transpose ಮಾಡಿ. Here -1/2, here -5/2, here 1/2, 0, 3, here 5/2, -3, 0, -3, which is equals to -3. is equals to -3. Minus and again ನಮಗೆ Q matrix. So what we do? Q dash is equals to -3. This is a condition for skew symmetric matrix. So what we write? So therefore Q is equals to 1/2 into B minus B transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric is a skew symmetric matrix. So what we have to show that matrix B is a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Matrix P is symmetric matrix ಅಂತ show ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ and matrix Q is skew symmetric matrix ಅಂತ show ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. So ಹಾಗೆ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So therefore P plus Q is equals to matrix B ಏನಿದೆ is 2 -3/2 is -3/2, then it is -3/2, 3, 1, -3/2, 1, -3, plus matrix Q is 0, -1/2, -1/2, 1/2, 0, 3, here 5/2, -3, 0. So which is equals to P plus Q is equals to here 2 plus 2 is 0, sorry 2, -3/2, -1/2. So -1, -1, -4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. -4/2 is 2, -3, -1, -3. So it is -4. Then -3 plus 1 is -2/2, -1. Then 3 plus 0 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4/4. 4. Then -3/2 plus 5. Here 2/2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It is 1. Here 1 -3 -2 -3 5 plus 0 -3. So this is clearly matrix B. 2 -2 -4. Then -1 3 4. 1 -2 -3. So what we show? Matrix B is a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Then P is a symmetric matrix and Q is a skew symmetric matrix, and we show that matrix B is a sum of the symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Next problem.